So we are starting a session. I'll give a brief about a session. In this session, I'll show you a video of Amity University Jharkhand. And in that video, you'll get to know about our infrastructure, our faculty, our program, and the content and all, and even the feedback from our students. After this video, I'll give a brief about Amity University Jharkhand and the advantages what Amity University Jharkhand brings in, and about the Amity University Education Group as well. Thereafter, you can put across a query in the chat box, and we will take your questions one by one and we'll answer to your queries.
कुछ दिया है, लेकिन हम क्या दे रहे हैं इस कंट्री को? बेस्ट थिंग दैट वी कैन गिव बैक टू द कंट्री इज द क्वालिटी एजुकेशन. बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर जो एमिटी जहाँ पे एज लेता है वो है ह्यूमन वैल्यूज, वैल्यू बेस्ड एजुकेशन. जिस तरह से आजकल वर्ल्ड चेंज होता जा रहा है, ऑटोमेशन आती जा रही है, डिजिटल इंडिया क्या डिजिटल वर्ल्ड होता जा रहा है, लेकिन एक ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को क्या चीज़ डिफर करती है, वो करती है ह्यूमन वैल्यूज. एक वैल्यू बेस्ड सिस्टम, बिहेवियरल साइंस जिसको हम बोलते हैं. तो एमिटी में हर बच्चे के लिए हर प्रोग्राम में बिहेवियरल साइंस पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज एज अ ह्यूमन हमें नहीं भूलना चाहिए हमारी वैल्यूज क्या हैं टुवर्ड्स अवर एल्डर्स, टुवर्ड्स अवर सोसाइटी, टुवर्ड्स अदर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स.
एक कैंपस से 191 कैंपस और एक छात्र से 1.5 लाख से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का सफर आज अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटी छात्रों और अभिभावकों के बीच काफी लोकप्रिय है.
Amity Universe has already made its impact in the academic arena in such a big manner that it already has almost 7,000 to 8,000 faculty members teaching in its banner. It has now 10 universities under one banner and 10 universities in 10 different areas doing so well that we have almost 700 patents under our pocket. Bihar and Jharkhand students as it is will do everything to get educated, to get shaped, and Amity was providing that opportunity in Noida, and therefore an opportunity came in wherein the government of Jharkhand invited Amity to come over to Jharkhand, and Ranchi was the place where we were invited, and Amity University Jharkhand in its just 2 years of time has already made an impact.
AUJ spots the right candidate and believes in making that ordinary student to an extraordinary student with values and culture. We assure quality education with high-tech facilities and values cultures at your own city.
एक कैंपस जहां स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाई के साथ दूसरे क्षेत्रों का सही एक्सपोजर मिलता है, हुनर को संवारने की आजादी मिलती है. एक ऐसा कैंपस जो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए यादगार बन जाता है.
हम सबको पता है जर्नलिज्म एक ऐसा फील्ड है जो क्रिएटिविटी से रिलेटेड है. इससे बड़ा वर्ल्ड में कोई क्रिएटिविटी हो नहीं सकता जहां पर लोग एक सब्जेक्ट को पढ़कर अलग अलग स्ट्रीम्स में जाने की कोशिश करते हैं. आज हमारे बच्चे इस लायक हो गए हैं, फर्स्ट ईयर पढ़ने के बाद सेकेंड ईयर में हैं और इस लायक हो गए हैं, वो इंडस्ट्री रेडी हैं. वो आज एक अच्छे राइटर हो सकते हैं, एक अच्छे फिल्म मेकर बन सकते हैं, एक अच्छा एंकर बन सकते हैं. उनके पास वो सारी खूबी है जो आज की डेट में किसी इंडस्ट्री में होनी चाहिए. उनको हम रेडियो स्टेशन, टीवी चैनल्स, उन सारी जगहों पर लेके जाते हैं जहां पर उनको वो सारी चीजों का ज्ञान मिल सके, नॉलेज मिल सके, एक्सपीरियंस मिल सके, एक्सपर्टीज मिल सके, ताकि जब वो जॉब के लिए, एक्चुअल जॉब में, जो कि बहुत मुश्किल होता है, हम सब जानते हैं, जब वो एक्चुअल जॉब के लिए मार्केट में जाएंगे तो उनके हाथ खाली ना.
हम लोगों का जहाँ तक अचीवमेंट्स का बात है तो एमिटी में एक हमारा अपना एक मोटो है कि हम लोग सीखते हैं यहाँ पे. वी डोंट केयर अबाउट विनिंग और लूजिंग, वी रादर केयर अबाउट लर्निंग थिंग्स एंड प्रोड्यूसिंग चैंपियंस आउट हियर इन एमिटी.
मैं अपने डिपार्टमेंट की बात करूँ, एस्को एमिटी स्कूल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, तो हमारे डिपार्टमेंट से हमने सभी स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत काफ़ी कम समय में काफ़ी कुछ किया है. अगर हम संगठन की बात करें तो हमारी रिपोर्टिंग हुई है, हमारी खुद की मीडिया टीम है, हम प्रेस रिलीज लिखते हैं, प्रेस रिपोर्ट होती है, हमारी डॉक्यूमेंट्री शूटिंग भी होती है. और अगर मैं अपनी बात करूं तो हमारी ऑनलाइन मैगजीन में पब्लिकेशंस भी हैं और नेशनल सेमिनार, इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस में हमने हाल फिलहाल में कलकत्ता और चक्रधरपुर में पेपर भी प्रेजेंट.
अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड सिर्फ एक शिक्षण संस्थान ही नहीं, एक सुखद अनुभव बन रहा है.
हमारी टीम जो है पूरे झारखंड में हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कोशिश यही है कि हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाके हम लोग बहुत सारे इवेंट्स कंडक्ट कराते हैं. कैरियर काउंसलिंग्स होती हैं, सेमिनार्स और वर्कशॉप्स स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज़ करते हैं, प्लस स्टूडेंट्स को हम लोग इनवाइट भी करते हैं हमारे कैंपस विजिट्स के लिए, और हम बहुत सारे मीडिया के लोगों से भी हम लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, उनके थ्रू भी हम लोग बहुत सारे स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट वगैरह भी ऑर्गेनाइज़ करते हैं ताकि झारखंड के कोने कोने में इंफॉर्मेशन पास हो सके कि एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड हमारे यहाँ रांची में जो कैंपिंग है वर्ल्ड क्लास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हम लोग प्रोवाइड किए हैं ताकि स्टूडेंट्स, झारखंड के स्टूडेंट्स हमारे यहाँ पे मतलब अपनी फ्यूचर यहाँ पे हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी में बना सके, और यहाँ से मैक्सिमम जो माइग्रेशन जो होता है झारखंड से बाहर की तरफ उसको मिनिमाइज किया जा सके।
We are providing our students research-based studies through field visits, industry visits, seminars and club activities. In this direction, we have recently formed a club called Chanakya Club.
16 मई 2016 को झारखंड विधानसभा से एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड विधेयक पारित हुआ। उच्च शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में ग्लोबल क्वालिटीज के साथ एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड में 16 अलग-अलग कोर्सेज हैं।
Chemistry department's point of view, we have already organized one international conference on material science, energy and information technology, and chemistry department has got 130 lakhs worthy project from Government of India, Department of Science and Technology, and the students are also working in that project.
इस यूनिवर्सिटी का शानदार सफर 450 स्टूडेंट्स के साथ शुरू हुआ, लेकिन आज यहाँ 900 से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स हैं।
अभी हमारे पास बीबीए में 220 बच्चे हैं। हमारा जो बीबीए का करिकुलम है वो इंडस्ट्री के रिक्वायरमेंट्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाया जाता है, एंड टाइम टू टाइम वी कीप ऑन अपडेटिंग द सिलेबस एंड द करिकुलम डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द रिक्वायरमेंट्स इन द इंडस्ट्री।
If you are keen for your studies, this is the right place where you can shape your future. This is a ragging-free campus which is situated in the heart of the city, where we provide 360-degree opportunities for education as well as unfolding your potential.
एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड में स्टूडेंट्स को तकनीकी ज्ञान से जोड़ने पर जोर दिया जाता है। यहाँ स्मार्ट क्लासेस के जरिए एक साथ एमिटी के सभी सेंटर्स को जोड़कर स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं। रिसर्च और इनोवेशन जैसे जरूरी विषयों पर भी फोकस किया जाता है।
We are engaged into lot of research and publications. Till date, being a very young university, we can boast of the fact that we have a close to 100 publications for both our broad streams of engineering as well as management.
एकेडमिक से हटकर एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड में स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अलग से पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट क्लासेस चलाई जाती हैं। इससे न सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स का आत्मविश्वास बढ़ता है, बल्कि उनकी लीडरशिप और टीम वर्क जैसी क्वालिटीज भी संवरती हैं।
We have a very vibrant and enthusiastic student community, and we ensure that along with academics, they are involved in a lot many other activities which ensures that they are having a all-round holistic development.
A sound mind exists in a healthy body. इसी सोच के साथ यूनिवर्सिटी में स्टूडेंट्स की फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज को बढ़ाने पर खास ध्यान दिया जाता है। स्टूडेंट्स खुद को हमेशा फ्रेश महसूस करें, इसके लिए कैंपस में कई तरह के स्पोर्ट्स और कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज पर जोर दिया जाता है।
We organize Amiphoria, which is a grand mega event which helps to provide platform and motivate the students in participation of cultural activities of this.
मुझे यहाँ से बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी से, साथ पढ़ाई के साथ यहाँ खेलकूद की भी बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटीज है यहाँ पे।
एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड में अमेज़न पोर्टल के जरिए ट्रांसपेरेंसी रखी जाती है। इसे एक्सेस कर टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स समय समय पर खुद का सही आकलन कर सकते हैं।
आई एम ऑल्सो लुकिंग आफ्टर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट सेल, जिसमें हम लोग बच्चों को प्रेरणा देते हैं कि वो अपनी बिजनेस स्टार्ट करें। उनको हम ट्रेनिंग देते हैं कि किस तरह से वो स्टार्टअप का जो गवर्नमेंट का इनिशिएटिव है उसका हेल्प लेते हुए अपना कुछ बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकें।
हैपनिंग एनवायरनमेंट, एंथुसियास्टिक मैनेजमेंट और पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड की खासियत है।
क्लासेस ऑफ मींस वी आर इन कैंटीन एंड रेट्स आर रियली ऑसम। हम लोग दिन भर यहीं रहते हैं। सारी फैसिलिटीज़ है, केक्स एंड ऑल्स की जितने भी बर्थडे पार्टीज होते हैं हम लोग यहीं सेलिब्रेट करते हैं।
कैंटीन सभी को अच्छा लगता है, क्लासेस से ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगता है। तो लंच टाइम में या फिर फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैंग आउट करने हम लोग आ जाते हैं, रेगुलर बेसिस पे ही आते हैं।
पारदर्शिता और यहाँ का पारिवारिक माहौल इसे दूसरे शिक्षण संस्थानों से ज्यादा प्रभावशाली बनाता है।
12वीं के बाद कॉलेज सिलेक्शन की चिंता और फिर प्लेसमेंट का डर। एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड स्टूडेंट्स की जिंदगी के इन अहम सवालों पर विराम लगा रही है। आगे देखेंगे कैसे बेस्ट अपकमिंग यूनिवर्सिटी के खिताब से नवाजी गई। एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड स्टूडेंट्स की पहली पसंद है।
उसको बढ़ाना है और एक गुड सिटीजनशिप देना है नेशन के लिए। और यहाँ हम लोग का फिजिकल लाइब्रेरी भी है और डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी भी है। हम लोग का जो भी बुक्स का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है, हम लोग अपने जो दिल्ली नोएडा है वहाँ से हम लोग का बुक्स वहाँ से प्रोवाइड होता है। और बहुत तरह के हम लोग के बहुत डिपार्टमेंट है, पूरे डिपार्टमेंट्स का हम लोग का बुक्स, सभी तरह के बुक्स हम लोग का यहाँ पे है। जो बच्चों के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है उन लोग के सिलेबस के अनुसार सब है।
ये बहुत ही अच्छी जगह है। जब भी हमारे टीचर्स कुछ असाइनमेंट्स देते हैं या फिर कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स देते हैं बनाने के लिए, हम यहीं आके बनाते हैं।
We have plenty of books which is related to our syllabus and जब भी हमारा फ्री टाइम होता है, लाइक जब हमें को असाइनमेंट मिलते हैं तो हम लोग आके यहाँ पे अपना असाइनमेंट करते हैं। And my exams are also coming, so we just make our groups and do group study. We usually come here in free times for doing our homeworks, assignments, consulting our teachers. They assign us some books for study. So every book according to our syllabus is available on this library.
झारखंड जैसे छोटे राज्य में एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड की स्थापना से आज यहाँ के युवाओं को वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशन के लिए मेट्रो सिटीज पर निर्भर नहीं रहना पड़ता। एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड में 70 से ज्यादा फैकल्टी और 150 से ज्यादा टीचिंग और नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ हैं, जो दिन रात स्टूडेंट्स के बेहतर भविष्य के लिए तत्पर है।
We conduct seminars very periodically and very frequently we conduct some guest lecture coming from CSIR labs and from IIT also. Just few months before we had some workshop that was held on molecular biology. Molecular biology is very indispensable subject of biotechnology. That is the core area of biotechnology. So we have some expertise. They came from IIT Delhi. They conducted some workshops regarding that. And hopefully that workshop will give them a better aspect how to go for any industry or from other jobs and career opportunities.
यहाँ टीचर्स रिक्रूटमेंट के समय वीडियोग्राफी का इस्तेमाल भी किया जाता है। स्टूडेंट्स के ऑल राउंड ग्रूमिंग के लिए यहाँ अंग्रेजी के अलावा विदेशी भाषा जैसे स्पेनिश और फ्रेंच भी सिखाई जाती है।
We are in a part of a globe, especially झारखंड, बिहार, जहाँ पर बच्चों के साथ ये बहुत बड़ी परेशानी है, कम्युनिकेशंस। इंग्लिश को देख करके उनको बहुत डर लगता है और एमिटी एक ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट दे रहा है बच्चों को जहां पर हर सेमेस्टर में एक क्रेडिट का 1 क्रेडिट इज कंपल्सरीली मेंट फॉर सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग, प्रोफेशनल स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन।
फील्ड एक्सपोजर के लिए स्टूडेंट्स को देश के कई शहरों में भेजा जाता है।
In Amity curriculum, to make our student placeable and to increase their confidence, apart from their domain knowledge, what we do, you provide different other courses like French, behavioral science, English, history, biology for engineers, economics. So our students goes through all these subjects, which will enhance their overall personality. Apart from that, our students frequently visit different industries to learn the application of a particular topic in the industry, how it is applied in the industry.
एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड का दावा है कि यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स को 100% प्लेसमेंट दिया जाता है, जिससे यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स को सीधा फायदा मिलता है।
और जहाँ तक प्लेसमेंट की बात है, ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आर इंटरेस्टेड इन प्लेसमेंट, अराउंड 80% ऑफ देम आर प्लेस्ड। और अभी भी ऑल कंपनीज आ रही हैं प्लेसमेंट के लिए।
अभी तो हमारे कंट्री में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो ऑब्वियस मेरा बीटेक स्ट्रीम रहा है, फिर मैंने MBA करा, इसीलिए कि कैरियर में कुछ अच्छा कर सकूं, एंड ऑब्वियस एमिटी में आके वो फुलफिल हुआ है।
यही नहीं, 12वीं में 93% से ज्यादा अंक लाने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी 100% स्कॉलरशिप देती है। इसके अलावा 88% से ज्यादा अंक लाने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को 50% स्कॉलरशिप दिया जाता है और यहाँ 70% से ज्यादा अंक लाने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को 25% स्कॉलरशिप दिया जाता है।
As a team, we bridge the students with the industry. The industry experts, they visit our colleges on a regular basis for the guest lecture and all. So along with our faculty members who are part of the core team, we work together as a team Main aim is to make our students industry ready, so that once the students they pass out from our college, they are ready to give their 100% in the corporates.
भविष्य की जरूरतों को देखते हुए एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड अपने कैंपस का भी विस्तार कर रहा है, जिसमें स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स के साथ कई वर्ल्ड क्लास सुविधाएं मुहैया कराई जाएंगी। नए कैंपस में स्टूडेंट्स के लिए लॉ और दूसरे कोर्सेज भी उपलब्ध होंगे। सिर्फ 2 साल के इस सफर में एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड का क्वालिटेटिव स्टेटस लगातार बढ़ रहा है। यहाँ के शिक्षकों ने अब तक 60 से भी ज्यादा रिसर्च पेपर्स का प्रकाशन किया है।
Basically, the main work of our algorithm was that to increase the major concept of the CPU utilization as well as to increase the throughput of the system, and we try to minimize our average waited time and turnaround time. For that, we designed an algorithm and compared that algorithm with the other 2 algorithms, that was an even odd algorithm and the predefined round robin algorithm. And through that, we found that our algorithm was much more efficient with the other 2, and hence our paper was a successful paper for us.
2017 में एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड को बेस्ट अपकमिंग यूनिवर्सिटी का अवार्ड दिया गया।
We have selected best out of the best candidates who can qualify the MIT standards and can contribute to industry and society in the best possible manner. The teaching in MIT is unique and industry oriented. We invite industry experts in our board of studies to make our curriculum as per industry requirement.
यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स की बनाई हुई मैं स्त्री हूँ शॉर्ट फिल्म को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फिल्म फेस्टिवल झारखंड की ओर से बेस्ट स्टूडेंट फिल्म का अवार्ड दिया गया।
एमिटी ने हमें एक बहुत ही बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया था, जहाँ की हम लोगों ने अपनी फिल्म तैयार की, जिसका टाइटल था विचक्राफ्ट, एक डॉक्यू ड्रामा था जो कि रियलिटी पे बेस्ड था। वो अभी झारखंड इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में नॉमिनेट हुआ है। और हमारे ही क्लास से, सेम क्लास से एक और भी शॉर्ट फिल्म थी, मैं स्त्री हूँ। ये भी ये जो वुमेन का कंडीशन है, जैसे ट्रैफिकिंग हो रहा है, इतने सारे रेप्स, वो भी उसको कंक्लूड करके हम लोगों ने एक और दूसरी फिल्म बनाई और दोनों झारखंड इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में प्रमोट हुआ।
एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी का मिशन 2030 तक इंडिया को नॉलेज हब बनाना है। देश के हर राज्य में एक क्वालिटी सेंट्रिक विश्वविद्यालय की स्थापना हो, इसके लिए एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी हर संभव कोशिश कर रही है। वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशन के साथ झारखंड के हर युवा तक पहुंचना एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड का लक्ष्य है।
हमारे ऑनरेबल फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट का जो स्वप्न है, जो सपना है, उसको पूरा करने में पूरी एमिटी टीम बड़े सबल रूप से उनके साथ है। उनका सपना है कि 2030 तक भारतवर्ष एक बार फिर से, जैसे एंशिएंट पीरियड में हम एजुकेशन के हब थे और एजुकेशन, शिक्षा भारत से प्रारंभ होता था और भारत में खत्म होता है, वो आज हो जाए। भारत से शिक्षा प्रारंभ हो, भारत में खत्म हो जाए। कोई ऐसी विधा ना हो जहां हम एमिटी का शिक्षण ना दे रहा हो, कोई वैसा एरिया ना हो जहां हमारा रिसर्च ना हो रहा हो, कोई ऐसी जानकारी ना हो जो हमारे बच्चों को नाम मालूम हो, और जो बच्चे हमारे अमेरिका और इंग्लैंड जा रहे हैं पढ़ने के लिए, वो उन्हें वहाँ जाने की जरूरत ना हो, वो हर वर्ल्ड क्लास की फैसिलिटी, वर्ल्ड क्लास के टीचर्स उनको पढ़ाएं।
We make our student prepare as per the requirement. There is the demand in the industry. Name the technology, we make the student prepare.
MIT Ranchi provided me a unique platform for presenting my ideas, my research topics in international conferences held in different parts of the country. I took part in many conferences held in Kolkata and also in Xavier College Ranchi. In Xavier College Ranchi, I presented the idea of Bionic Eye, which is powered by Nano Generator, and there I was awarded with the Best Poster Presentation Award for the in Biotech department. MIT Ranchi is providing me chances to present, to come up with this idea, and they are also, faculties are guiding me very much so that I can bring this system into real existence.
रीजनेबल फीस स्ट्रक्चर और हायर एजुकेशन में कंट्रीब्यूशन से एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी झारखंड यहाँ के युवाओं की फर्स्ट चॉइस बन रही है।
So students, you got to know about Amity University Jharkhand through this video. Now you get a brief about Amity University Jharkhand establishment and the program advantages what we provide. Amity University Jharkhand got established in 2016 by Government of Jharkhand by passing an act in the Legislative Assembly of Jharkhand. So this is a university formed by Jharkhand government, and this is a state private university. Amity University Jharkhand is part of Amity Education Group. Amity Education Group has currently 12 university campuses all across India. Amity University has vision to establish university campus in every state of India. The purpose behind is that the student of that respective state should not migrate to other state for quality education. They should get quality education in the respective state itself. And that's the reason Amity University Group has established Amity University Jharkhand in Jharkhand, so that students of Jharkhand should not migrate to other state and should get the same quality education within their state as well. Amity Education Group has currently 175,000 students all across all their campuses, which is one of the largest Amity education group all across the globe. And there are more than 6,500 faculties, permanent faculties working for Amity Education Group. In terms of faculty, we adhere by the UGC and the AICTE regulation, and we recruit the faculties who are either PhD or NET qualified. 70% faculties are PhD. And we adhere the norms, that is 1:20 ratio. That is on every 20 students, there should be one faculty. And on that policy, currently in Amity University Jharkhand, we adhere by 1:12, 1:15 ratio. That is on every 12 to 15 students, we have one permanent faculty in Amity University Jharkhand. If I talk about industry exposure being given to our students, in like any program you enroll for, you enroll for BBA, BCom, any program you enroll for, in every subject you study, in every subject we bring in guest lectures. The reason behind is to understand the industry application of the subject. Apart from that, at the end of every year, Amity University provides an internship facility to students. If you find it in other university campus or in other institutions, internships are provided once in the complete program. Rather, in Amity University, we provide internship at the end of every 1 year. That means a student who enrolled for a 3-year program probably gets 2 to 3 internship opportunity. So whatever studied in the complete 1 year, you can go and can experience in the industry and can learn the application part of the subject you studied in the classes. In second last semester, we bring in companies in the campus for campus placements, and the campus placements are done. If I talk about placements, all major ITC brands like all major FMCG brands like ITC, Nestle, Colgate-Palmolive, Hindustan Unilever, Asian Paint, Berger Paint has been coming to Amity University Jharkhand for recruitment. If I talk about IT companies like Accenture, Wipro, TCS, Infosys has been coming for recruitment. If I talk about banking brands like SDFC, Axis Bank, Federal Bank, they had been coming to Amity University and been recruiting students from Amity University. The maximum package been given in placements are 10 lakh rupees, and average package been offered to our students are 4 to 5 lakh rupees. This is about our placements. Another opportunity what Amity University provides of having multiple campuses all across India and globe is that you can find a last year transfer to any of our campuses in India and abroad. That means if you enroll for a 3-year program like BBA, BCom, you can study for 2 years in Amity University Jharkhand and can get transferred to last year in any of our campus like Noida, Gurgaon, Mumbai and all, and can study complete last year in that campus and can take placements from there itself. If you feel like that you will not get better placements from Jharkhand, you can go to Noida or Mumbai or Gurgaon campus and can study complete last year there itself and can appear for placement there itself and take placements from there itself. If you are enrolled for an MBA program, you can study for 1 year at Amity University Jharkhand and can take transfer of in your final year to other campuses like Noida and Gurgaon and can take placements from there itself. So this is an opportunity what Amity University provides of having multiple campuses all across India and globe. Apart from this, we have talked about placements, internships and all. Like in terms of placements, we have been providing good placements. Still, to enhance your employability chances, we have added 4 programs as a compulsory program for any of the courses or program you are enrolled for. If you are enrolled for BBA, BCom, BCA, BSc IT or biotech program or a law programs, still if you, these are 4 programs that are compulsory. One is foreign language. That means you have to go through one foreign language in your complete program, and French being one of the most spoken foreign language all across the globe, Amity University Jharkhand trains students on French language. So in every semester, you study one paper of French language, and at the end of the program, you're well versed with that foreign language. Apart from foreign language, you train into communication. Since communication is one very important aspect for getting recruited into corporate sectors, we help you improve your communication. We have a proper communication lab within a campus, and that helps you improve your communication. The third is computers. You enroll for a computing or non-computing programs like BCom or BA English kind of program, and we train into computers. The reason behind is at the end of the day, when you get placed, you have to go and work on the computer. The fourth aspect is behavioral science. Many times students are good, but do get rejected by the company saying that the student's behavior is not that well to work in a company, that means that student do not have a leadership quality or cannot work in a team kind of environment. So we train to behavioral aspect as well, so that you are well trained on to the behavioral aspect of the companies as well and can go and work in the company. So these are the major aspects. Now we can take one-to-one your queries, and whatever queries you have, you can put across your query in the chat box and we can answer to your queries. If you have any query, you can type it down in the chat box and we'll answer to your queries. Admission procedure. Admission procedure is like, since due to the COVID, the complete admission procedure is made online available. So what you can do is you'll be provided with a link of our form. You can go and click on the link and can go on the application form, or you can visit our website and go on the application form and can fill the application form. Once the application is filled up, our team will call you and will schedule your interviews. Once that interview is scheduled, your interview will be done. And that interview will as well be online, either on Skype or on WhatsApp video call. And once that interview is done, it takes another 48 hours to 72 hours for result declaration. And if you qualify, you can pay your fees and you can take your admission. Is there a foreign exchange program available? Yes, Amity University has multiple campuses of its own at multiple locations like New York, Dubai, Singapore, Mauritius, UK, and multiple locations. So what we do is we provide you with 1 month immersion program at any of these campuses. You can go and can do a 1 month immersion of project and can complete a project and can come down to our campus again. Apart from that, if you want a complete transfer to these campuses, that means if you have enrolled for a BBA program or MBA program and studied for 1 year or 2 years, now you want a complete transfer to be done at Dubai campus, even you can apply for complete transfer to these foreign campuses and you can study the complete rest of your program at those campuses and can get your degree from there itself. When we shift to a new building, a new campus is getting constructed at Dhurva. I'll show you the photograph of the new campuses as well. And I believe it will take another 1 year's time. And once it gets constructed, we'll shift it to the new campus. It's a huge 11-acre campus with all the modern facilities what a university can have. And it will be one of the best campuses all across Jharkhand, what we can assure you.
So the next question is there a foreign exchange program available?
Foreign exchange, I said, like we have a 1 month immersion program happening all across our Amity University campuses in international locations like New York, Dubai, Mauritius, Singapore, China, UK and all. So students can go for 1 month project work in those campuses. Apart from that, if they want a complete transfer to these campuses, even they can apply for complete transfer and can get transferred to those campuses and then go and study in those campuses.
This is a question from Priyangu. French subject is only for graduation students or all for master students?
It is meant for all programs, be it undergraduate or postgraduate program. If you enroll for MBA or MCA program as well, you have to go through French language program.
And they start from the basic level.
Right from the start of the program, every semester will get through one paper, and you have to even qualify that paper by sitting in the exam on that particular paper, for that paper.
This is a question from Rahul Raj. I want to know about lab for civil BTech.
Lab, like we have best lab facility within our campus. You will get all basic facility required for conducting lab for civil work, and that is available. Apart from that, even we send you into various civil companies, civil infrastructure companies as well for internship opportunity to have experience what you have studied in the classroom.
This is a question from Arya Kumar. What are the charges paid during admission?
During admission, like you have to pay the form cost first of all, that is 1100 rupees. Once you pay the form cost, you can apply for the form. Once you apply, you have to appear for interview, and thereafter you like your qualification comes whether you're qualified or not. Once you have qualified, you have to pay the first semester fees and take the admission. We do not charge any admission charges or admission fee. It's just the semester fee what you have to pay, and you have to confirm your admission.
And the security money.
And the security deposit, which is a refundable one-time security deposit that will be refunded back once you complete your program.
This is a question from Ishika Shaw. Sir, tell me about the placement company for BGMC.
BGMC, all major electronic media, print media, FM radios, recruit our students, apart from ad agencies as well recruit our students, has been recruiting our students. Apart from that, students studying for BGMC do get training onto 2D and 3D designing or MATLAB. That means if you wish, you can even get placed to the animation making companies as well. You might have seen there are a lot of animated programs being
Video
coming on
houses,
television.
right?
So even those can be done by our students.
What is the fee structure for BBA?
BBA, you can check out the fee structure and can inform the student.
60,500 per semester for the first 2 semesters in the first year. And every year there will be a 5% increase in the fees.
I'll take a break and I'll show them the new campus which is coming up. I'm sharing the screen. So this is a new campus. You can see the front view of the campus. This is the back view of the campus having a sports facility as well as the hostel building and all. And this portion is like the sports complex. This is side view of our campus. This is the aerial view of our campus. It's a 11-acre huge campus having all major facilities. This is going to be the sports complex having facility like shooting, swimming pool, indoor swimming pool, and lot other infrastructure required for sports development and all. These are going to be the hostel buildings. These are our main academic section of our building and all. So this is going to be one of the best infrastructure in terms of university campus to be available at Jharkhand. You might have seen the university campus building I've shown you in this picture. So now you can take up another question. Dolan, you can put across another question.
Yes, sir. Manjeet Prasad, when the session will start?
Session since for past 2 years due to COVID, the sessions are getting delayed, and even if you see the 12th exams have been delayed. So totally depends upon the 12th examination as well. We're expecting it to start a session for somewhere around September, October. Last year as well, government has asked campuses to start their campus by the end of November. So it totally depends upon government directives as well.
Second question is from Rohan Singh. Will I get access to alumni network of all the Amity branches?
Alumni, since you are part of Amity Jharkhand, you will be part of alumni network of Jharkhand campus only. But you'll get to interact onto multiple platforms for our other students as well. So initially you will be part of Amity Jharkhand alumni itself, not the complete Amity education group.
Yes, sir. What is the total BTech fee?
Fees you can like inform students.
Sudhir Kumar Gunu. Sudhir Kumar Gunu, you are asking for BTech which stream? BTech CS is the total fee will be around 6,41,000 for 4 years. And you have to pay 20,000 security money at the time of admission, which is refundable. Then from Nandita Kumari, what is the placement for BA LLB?
BLLB, if I talk about BLLB, we give opportunity to get registered at different courts and practice in the courts as well. Apart from that, we give you opportunity to work with corporate law firms as corporate lawyers. We give you opportunity to go and work with multiple corporate companies as a corporate lawyers for that companies. Apart from that, another advantage what the BLLB student gets is like being a graduate in BA LLB, you can appear for this examination, government examinations to become magistrate, first class magistrate. So that's an opportunity only been offered to BLLB and BBLLB students. So even you can appear for those exams, entrance exams, and can qualify and can become judges, first class magistrate and judge.
They can go for UPSC also.
Yeah, you can go for UPSC as well as this legal examinations as well.
Right, sir. This is a question from Sneha Sudesh. What is the placement for BBA? Sorry, MBA.
MBA, I said like if for MBA, maximum package been offered is highest package been offered at Jharkhand campus is 10 lakh rupees, and the average package is 4 to 5 lakhs. And all major FMCG brands like ITC, Colgate Palmolive, Marico, Asian Paint, Berger Paint, Hindustan Unilever has been recruiting our students on an average package of 4 to 5 lakh rupees. Apart from that, talk about banking sectors like Federal Bank has recruited a student at 7.85 lakh, and they've even recruited a BBA student at 3.85 lakh. They've recruited they have been recruited by SDFC Bank, Axis Bank. Talk about by IT companies like Accenture, Infosys, Wipro. They have been recruiting our students.
Sir, please name the companies. BGMC is done. Ishika Shaw.
BGMC.
Right, sir. Placement of civil engineer is available or not? Aman
Placements
Kumar
for all
Singh.
our programs are available because all our programs are professional programs. It is not a traditional programs, be it a BA English kind of program. So all our programs are professional programs, and every program if student requires, students will get placements. Because many a time students do not require placements and fill up a no objection certificate stating that they do not require placements opportunity. So any student who require placement opportunity have been provided placement opportunity, be it undergraduate or a postgraduate program.
This is a question from Abhishek Mahato. What is the average placement for CSE branch?
Average package for any engineering program comes between 3 to 5 lakh rupees. It can be in between 3 to 5 lakh rupees. That's the basic been offered by any of the engineering companies. Apart from, even I have informed you that if you feel like that you cannot get good placement from Jharkhand, what you can do is you can take your final transfer to any of our other campuses where you feel the placements are, you can get a good placements opportunity. Like if you wish you want your placements done from Noida, you can get it transferred to last year admission, into that campus. You can study complete last year in Noida campus itself and can appear for placement there itself and can take the placements from there itself.
This is a question from Shankar Gupta. If we score above 93%, then also we need to pay any amount except admission form money.
You have to pay one-time security deposit amount, which is a refundable amount. So once you complete your program, that amount even gets refunded back to you.
And this fee structure of BTech CE as a whole, it will be coming around 5,82,000, the total package. And they have asked about BCA total package for the fees, and that is around 3 lakhs. This is asked by Sudhir Kumar Gunu. Any more questions, students?
I'll type it down the WhatsApp number of our Amity University Jharkhand. So after this session, if you still have any query, you can either chat on that WhatsApp number or even you can interact on that WhatsApp number. That's our WhatsApp number. So this is the WhatsApp number. Students, you can note it down, this WhatsApp number. And after this session, you still have any query, you can put across the query on the chat. You can interact with the person on the chat, or even you can call on that number and can discuss your issues.
Shankar Gupta has asked about the classes of Amity University Jharkhand, whether they are conducted in a total time or any shifts are available.
It is not done in any shift. It is a full-fledged class which starts from 9:15 and ends up around 4:30 to 5.
Parul Adhikari is asking, sir, should I will get the chance to transfer myself to Noida in last year?
Yeah. Any student, it's an unconditional kind of thing. There's no condition set for that. So any student who wishes to study in last year to any of our other campuses can apply for that and can go and study complete last year in those campuses.
Ishika Shaw, sir, if the campus will shift, then there will be change in fees also.
Change in?
Fees.
Nearly like there's a change of fees every year. Even in the current campus, there's a change of around 5% of fees.
Right,
what we are expecting that once we have a bigger campus, it can be instead of 5% can be of 10% kind of increment. That will be a minor increment, which will not create any problem for students paying that fees.
One more student, he has not given his name, but has given some number, numerical ID. Sir, if I want to do MTech after MCA, then I have to again give the entrance for MTech?
No, you do. Yeah, for any program, for even a student doing BBA and now wants to do MBA program has to appear for entrance exam. That's compulsory for any program student get enrolled for. So that is to be sure. Yes, after MCA, if you want to go get into MTech program, you have to appear for entrance. And after MCA, even if you want to do MTech program from IIT or some other place, you can appear for GATE exam and can even qualify GATE and can do your MTech program from IIT as well.
Gurpreet Kaur Denny, she is a BA Economics student, what department or programs have the best reputation?
If I talk about Amity, Amity in itself is like a reputed name in terms of in the education industry. So whatever program Amity University like is been taken, like is been conducting, all are of repute, and there's no issue on that part. You can appear like as per your interest and the background, you can get into this program, and for sure you'll get good education and quality education in that program.
Krishnanandan Kumar has asked, sir, does this college include companies like Tata and Biocon under campus selection?
Yeah, Tata, we have signed up an agreement with Tata, and in near future signing for placement opportunity as well with Tata. So we are expecting that all our students who will get enrolled into BTech program will get opportunity to work with Tata in terms of internship and for your final placements as well.
This is a question from Kartar Kaur, who has the aim to do MBA and go for animal science and work in South Africa. So do you have a branch in South Africa?
Currently, we do not have any branch in South Africa. We have a schooling. We have a school in South Africa right now, but we since Amity has a vision to start around 50 campuses all across the globe. So we have that plan, and in probably times to come, we'll establish a campus in Africa as well.
Answer her aim, what she has, like to work for animals in South Africa. Once she completes her MBA, she can go for Discovery and National Geographic Channel, with whom we are going to
multiple ways to work with those kind of things.
Right, sir. And we are also going to have a placement with them also, sir.
Yeah.
Priyangu has asked, classes are online or offline when we start the session?
Initially, as per government directive, since our colleges campus are closed right now, as per government directive, these classes are happening online, and we have even a virtual lab developed by Amity University Group. So even the labs works are done virtually through online mode itself right now. But once our campus is open and government allows our campus to open, then these campuses will be offline and it will work on a regular manner.
Ishika Shaw, now I am in class 12 and due to COVID, boards have been postponed. Then how can I take admission now?
You can apply as applying student appearing student of your 12th exam right now, and can qualify, and you can pay your fees and can confirm your admissions, provisional admissions. And once your exams are happens, probably we expect it to be happen in June or July. Once that happens, the result will get declared, and thereafter you can submit your result by probably at the end of November as well to us.
So no more questions, sir.
So we can end this session for today. And students having any query can note down the WhatsApp number I've mentioned in the chat, and can further interact on the chat number through chat mode, or even they can do a call. Okay.
One question has come from Kumar Arpit. Do Amity have industrial visit for BBA students?
Yeah, we have industrial visit for all the programs we are offering at Amity University Jharkhand. So students for BBA as well gets an industrial visit to multiple companies like Jindal and other companies. They do go and visit and learn a lot through that industrial experience.